important event for us, and it's very important because it recognizes the effort put in by scores of people in the IT industry. World-class talent, availability of world-class talent and infrastructure, a very conducive business environment here in the state of Andhra Pradesh, collaboration between the industry and the government, and a very responsive IT&C department. Just briefly on the collaboration between the IT&C department and the industry, most often when we go and meet the IT&C department officials, they're very responsive, they listen to most of our demands. Some of these are basically reflected in the new IT&C policy. Special incentives for Tier 2 cities is a new policy initiative. Subsidy on lease rentals and other incentives for startups and SMEs. And the path-breaking GO on 10% reservation for SMEs in IT projects in the state. There's no other state that has this kind of policy. And I understand that even, this particular GO has caught the attention of the Prime Minister and they want to implement it across the country. So I think we need to applaud the IT&C department for such, path-breaking initiatives, and we are all thankful to that. But the time has come for us not to rest on our laurels. I think we have many more promises to keep and many more miles to travel before we sleep. All of us present in this room and scores outside have only one vision, that is to make AP the leading IT destination of the world. And we are not going to rest till we achieve that. A few minor incidents are not going to deter the IT industry from achieving its vision. That Advantage AP event held early this month on March 1st and 2nd was a huge success. There were more than 200 stalls, including 30 from Tier 2 cities. There were more than 1,500 delegates that were present, and the response from the participants and the exhibitors has been very positive and great. This shows that the IT industry is here to stay and grow. I have a couple of requests to make. The first request is the Honorable Chief Minister. Sir, the recent proposal to impose 18.5% MAT on SEZs is basically a step in the wrong direction, I think, because, the SEZ concept is taking off, and the finance bill has introduced this 18.5%, and at a time when we are facing competition not from within but from other countries in South Asia, Southeast Asia and Eastern Europe, I think this will seriously hamper foreign direct investment into the IT sector. And also it's a promise that the government is going back on, and nobody will believe what the government is saying. So I request the Chief Minister to take this issue with the central government. The other demand, sir, I have for you is there's a long pending issue of VAT and service tax on domestic business that needs to be resolved. So request your intervention on that. My last and final request is to friends from the media. The media has always been industry friendly, but with little more support from friends in the media, we could achieve a lot more. If the government, media and industry work together, there is no hurdle that cannot be surpassed. And let's all work together and realize the vision of making AP the leading IT destination in the world. Before I conclude, I congratulate all the award winners and wish them continued success in the years to come. You have done the industry, the state and the country proud. Thank you.